Hello student, today's topic is four domains of the earth. Our earth includes land, water, air, plants, animals, and as it is made up of both living and non-living things. Land, always we say lithosphere. Here, lithos means solid rocks layer, and sphere means layer. Next is water. Water always denoted to hydro. Hydro means water. Water is a layer. Next is air. Air means atmosphere. Many kinds of atmosphere in present layer, atmosphere layer is present, like that troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere or ionosphere, and exosphere. Next layer is animals and plants living us, means human beings. That layer name is biosphere. Bio means life. Bio and sphere means layer. Here is present all living zones. It is made up of both living and non-living things. All these things are interdependent and correlation to each other. I mean to say, we need air to breathe, water to drink, land to build our home, and plants and animals to feed on. The component of the earth are called domains or sphere, means layer. These include lithosphere or land, hydrosphere or water, and atmosphere or air. All are correlated. You can see that all living zones are present in lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and we say biosphere. Parts of these three spheres make up the biosphere. Okay, the zone where life exists on Earth. Here is I write atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, all are including in biosphere, means life. Now I am explain lithosphere broadly. Litho, I say solid rocks. Sphere means layer. Is the domain of land. It consists of three layers. These are crust, mantle, core. Of these, core is further divided into two parts: inner core, outer core. Core is a two kinds: inner core, outer core. Inner core is located in center of the path. Surrounding the inner core is located another core, outer core. Next is mantle. Mantle is also a two kinds: inner mantle, outer mantle. Mantle is always liquid form, means elastic form. Here present. Last uppermost layer is crust. Crust means lithosphere, solid form. Here we can see ocean, here mentioned blue color, and mountain region. Crust is including Sial and Sima. Here is totally rocks, granite and basalt is exist on this layer. Now you can watch the diagram of earth model. Suppose we cut on the middle portion, we get three layers. First one is core. Core, you can see inner core, then outer core, atlas, mantle, and topmost layer is crust, where we live. Not only human beings, I mean to say ocean, continent, mountains, hills, plateau exist on this crust. Inner core is solid form, but mantle is liquid form. Because of here elastic position, all things. Uppermost layer crust is solid form. Inner core, here present Nife means nickel and ferrous exist on inner core. Crust forms uppermost layer. It is thinnest layer made up of rocks and soil. This layer is thicker under the continents and thinner under the oceans. Means very thick and solid form in continents and very thin layer in the oceans. Mantle is the layer between the crust and the core. Here, thicker than the crust but thinner than the core. It is middle position of three layers. The deeper we go inside the earth, hotter it becomes, the pressure increase. The formula is when height is decreased, temperature is increased. So as a result, the layer change from a solid to a semi-solid state gradually. Only the inner core remains solid due to immense force exerted on it by the upper layers. From the crust towards the core, the total radius is 6,370 kilometer approx. No one can reach interior of the earth because of interior portion. Temperature is increasing too much when height is decreasing. Pressure also increase. Volume also increases.